You didn't understand. You think I'm weed or something, nigga? What? So what you think? Who you? What you want to do? I'm not digging your ass, nigga. Do it. Do it. I'm right here. What you talking about? What part you didn't understand? What part what? Bluffing ass nigga. Come on, you what? Bluffing on what? Black. Listen, man. Come the fuck on here. Come on. I get in the ass. Yeah, okay, you know. I dig in your ass, motherfucker. Bluffing motherfucker. You calling all you want. Nah, leave it alone, stop. Stop. You talking about food. You don't need that type of stuff. That's the only thing I need off of that, man. Fuck you up, I'll fuck you. That's what happened in the race. That's all it is. You want to run them out? Track it open them. Track it open. They said track it open. Let me know. When the creek opened up, y'all call me. My car, and they run with my car. That's the diesel truck. What's the back tire is clear? That's what you said, right? Oh, your car. No, I said he got the back tire. I said if I don't clear, y'all don't listen. If I don't clear him, he don't have to pay me. What did that mean? You said the back tire and the clear, right? No. If I don't clear him, that's what the fuck the clear is. He don't have to pay me. I'm going to turn the wind light on. I'm turning the wind light on. But if I don't clear, no, if you win, you win the buy. If he don't clear you, then you don't have to pay him. But if he beats you, I'm going to win. I'm going to turn the light on. But if y'all turn the light on, y'all automatically win. So you see, if you don't clear y'all, then y'all don't, because y'all going to lose because I'm going to turn the light on. But if y'all turn the light on, y'all win hands down. I mean, that's just simple. That's what's going to happen. Can we get it to 2,000? Wow, what's wrong with the 15? Y'all would have won today. The man hit it. I ain't handle my own car. Hey, we got a conventional head car too. We on y'all today here. What is it? It's a conventional head car just like y'all. That white Monte Carlo over there. We on y'all today. You know that nigga don't back down for nobody. What the fuck? Y'all know that nigga. I ain't saying he run in the street. Y'all would never run. Look, I paid $20. If that nigga run, y'all wouldn't fuck with him. Say it again. Anybody in that highway, everybody know that nigga from the highway. Oh, but we ain't talking about that, I'm talking about that. Now y'all act like you know. No, I'm just saying that because, all right, my man, but look, I'm saying you said something about that nigga skin. You know that's the last motherfucker that ever scared. That's my man. I'm gonna tell it to everybody. I told Jimmy Guy. Hey, look. Shit, I tell everybody if they ain't gonna try to run me, and then I gotta give up something. We gonna do something. I know we like to raise it. That's all. You know that nigga like to raise it. I like cook chicken. That's all. And that's all it's all about. Yeah. Shit like I ain't worried about this. No, you got excuse me. I know. You got excuse me. I ain't even talking about. Y'all start offering motherfucking face.